Yes, you have something to say?
Yes, I'm just sharing my screen.
Okay, okay, perfect.
Um, my setup has not been able to work. I've been trying to make it work.
Yes, yesterday after the call, what did you do after the call?
So after the call, I tried testing, testing now the code that I had written, the automation, and it was not going through. So,
And what is the error? Can you show us the error?
so the error is when I try to send an email to this abuse user, the email doesn't land there. Then also when I activate the FBL path, I just realized that it stops the users from receiving emails. Like if I try to send an email from maybe any provider, then it doesn't go through. But when I deactivate, it goes through. So I'm trying to find out what the problem is. Um,
Yes. After the call yesterday, you have gone through on FBL, what you have done.
yes. After the call, I continued with the FBL because before the call, I had only done the the, the automation part, but I didn't
Yes.
test. I didn't test. Yeah. So I started testing
Okay.
and trying to share the errors with ChatGPT until even my chat became so long that ChatGPT just started hanging. So I just opened a new one here.
Okay.
So I'm really trying to find out why the emails do not actually go through even after I just test it from within my user and send it to the same user. Just a minute. It even started messing up my users. But when I deactivate this code, because everything is in order. So if I deactivate this and run my automation again, I am able to receive the emails. But it is in this part that I'm supposed now to take the email and save it in the SQL database. I don't know, because maybe I'm doing it through automation. Maybe I should do this part manually first.
You have started already with automation.
Yes, this
Oh,
part.
no. Start it first manually. Um, it's your first time to set up the FBL, and we have found that setting up the FBL is not really easy. I believe that the DKIM is easier than FBL, something like that. Because with FBL, you need a database, you need to do this, and it seems like it is even more complicated than setting up the certificate, right?
Yeah, it is. It is actually
Yes.
complicated.
In that case, it means that you must start the manually because this is your first time. I think that you need to reset everything and start it manually.
Okay.
I think you can forget all the steps that you have done in automation and really start it manually with command line. And once you are confident that is working with command line, now maybe you can even do it with a script. And then when you are confident, now you can put it in Ansible. You can put that in Ansible.
I My bad. I'll try do it manually then.
Yes. This is sometimes the problem with Ansible.
Mm,
Sometimes when you are working on Ansible, you want to do something, you may think that it is easy. I will just go on Ansible, I will just do this. without testing things done manually. And
Yeah,
most of
yeah,
the
yeah.
time, uh, that is something that can make me lose a lot of time.
I'll
Yes.
just do it manually because I also realized when I was doing the postfix the other time, it was not like populating the files. So I had to like make sure I mention the code that I want to be copied. So overwriting the whole thing. So I think maybe that is the issue that I'm also having with the FBL. Uh, I ran into a lot of permission issues, like it was not creating the SQL database, but it's able to create now. But let me just switch maybe to manually and see if it works. Then
Yes,
I'll
I
now
think you can do it done manually. Take all your time. Go very step by step and don't be in hurry because it seems like the FBL part, the need of the database, and it seems like if you are confident about the setup of FBL, that can be very helpful because with the FBL, you will know how to collect click when someone open email, when someone click,
Mhm.
and so on. You see, I think the FBL is it's some really good part about analyzing all statistics for your campaign.
Yeah.
But I believe that in Melvis, they already have the code for the FBL. But because here we are here to understand everything from scratch, I
Yes.
believe that the FBL is one of the greatest part of this for this core email on system because that can help you to collect click to collect the number of email that have been opened,
Mhm.
to collect the number of email that are going to bounce, and so on and so on. So I think that this is a great part. This is some great part.
Okay.
Yes. So that's why you need to take time on that part and try to do things manually. Once it's working well, you can automate it. And this morning time you have continued with what?
Yeah, same thing. I I continue with the debugging. That's why I told you I just started another chat here because this one thing with ChatGPT when it gets so long, it starts to just hang. So I continue with the debugging. I've been able at least to create the SQL DB. Just see
Okay.
if I can get the code. SQL. This. But now I'm not able to select. The table is not being created because the emails are not arriving.
Okay.
So
So normally when the email don't arrive, the table will be created automatically. You don't need to create the table manually.
um, that's according to the script that I have in the Python here.
Okay, your script is supposed to create the table.
Yes, yes. But also I've realized that it's not receiving the emails, like it's rejecting the emails. So I need to do it manual and check why it's rejecting the emails from arriving. Probably that is the reason why it's not being saved in the table.
Okay.
Yeah, I just realized that now because I tried to send an email. First, I was just testing from the command line because you can send the email from the same user to the same user. Then when I tried to send from Proton, it was undelivered and it was returned back to the sender. But I just reverted back and commented out this part that includes the FBL and ran the automation again and tried to send an email from Proton and it worked. So I realized it was even blocking the incoming emails. So I'll work on that to make sure the emails are being received after I've done the FBL, but now maybe using the manual approach. then test everything out. Because once I test everything out and I know that the files are well created, then I'll just copy the code that are exact code that is in the files and put it in the automation, the way I did with this postfix, especially the decking part. We had a lot of issues with
The
the.
ticket is working now, or it's not working?
No, it is working.
Okay.
Yeah, that is fixed. That is like a permanent fix. It's working. Yes, I think that is everything I can say for now. I
Okay.
haven't looked at
You have
it.
been working on FBL for how many days now?
I started on Saturday. Was it Saturday or Monday? Monday evening. Not
So,
Monday evening. It's Monday after the meeting, but I lost power. Then I also yesterday I started working early, late. So just did like even I don't know, was it 7 hours or 8? Um, so it's like 3 days up to today.
oh, it will be a long time.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I think you have spent one day, you were working on the wrong part. That is the problem.
Yes, yes.
Because you have spent one day, you were not working on the FBL where you have full control. You were just focusing on the third party one.
Oh yeah. I was focusing on the Google and the
Like,
Outlook.
yes, and Outlook. Okay. I think that is why you have spent a lot of time on it like that. Okay, okay. So your next step is to focus on the manual part, right?
Yes, the next step is to focus on the manual part. Then if it works out, we'll do the automation.
Okay, okay. That's good.
Yeah.
Karin, next step. Do you have anything to share?
Maybe before Karin does the presentation, I just have a question or a suggestion based on the list. Now, so on our list we have sections like the Java. I
Yes.
know the Java, maybe we're just going to brush and focus on the email part because I know Java is somehow has a learning curve. For you to get comfortable with it, we may end up spending a lot of time here. So probably as we continue working on the tasks, then we find a free time to maybe learn Java or learn this other. I've tried PHP before. It was easier to pick up, though I haven't been doing any projects with it. And even Python, it's easier to pick up. But Java, maybe it's
Okay. When I
unexperienced.
put things like this, the goal is not to be expert in Java.
Hmm.
Let's say if you spend 2 days on Java and it's not working, there's no issue.
Okay.
The goal is we have, I think when you were working, there are some point ever on dashboard where
Hmm.
you have tried to find the solution and you did not get the solution and we
Yes.
put it in backlog. Yes, the same here. We just play with Java maybe which 1 or 2 days, and after that we put it back and
Ah,
just continue.
okay, sir.
Because here we have the PHP. Um, the Mailwiz is developed by with PHP. You see,
Hmm.
Mailwiz is developed by PHP. Java will not really help us now, but it is for challenging just to understand how the email part work.
Yes.
And if we spend, let's say, 2 days, 3 days on it, it's no work, there's no issue. We just put it in the backlog and then we will move forward. But what we will gain is that even if we have an application that is coding with Java and we need to troubleshoot it, that will not be strange for us. We will
Okay.
just say, oh, this is Java. We are not expert in Java, but we can go and fix the part about the emailing,
Hmm.
you see, because this language are common popular language.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
have not put Go here because Go is popular, but here you see I have not put a lot of language. I just pick up around 3.
Okay, sir.
So this we just play with it for 1, 2, 3 days. If we can solve it, that will be great. And if we can't, it's not there is no issue for that. The main part here is everything from command line
Mhm.
and Ansible. That are two main part, command line and Ansible. Because email is more about the setup
Yeah,
than writing code. So, and the other language that is very important here in email is Python.
yeah.
And also SQL is also good because you will be interacting with the database. You see, we interacting with the database. And PHP, it is because many old system is coded with PHP. You have some old system, some old software like Melvis, they're coding in PHP.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Do you have anything?
No, I have nothing else.
Okay. And let's continue with Kari.
So we share my screen. So yesterday after the meet, I worked on the upsell. So I did research with the GPTs, I wanted to refine the message again, and I created some like Excel file. So those are interns that were that were beginning on February, and I sent the first messages
Okay.
for the
Just one
file.
question. You will send message to all the students, not only to one student. Are you getting it?
Like, yes, I am
Yes.
getting you.
You will send message. I'm not saying that you will send them in one time. You will go on by your own way. See step
Yes.
by step. You will just plan it. But in total, you will send to all our students. We have around 200 students now.
Mhm.
Yes. And all those students since last year, we will send them. We send that to them. Okay, okay, good. Yes, continue.
And there was these one students that were messaging me back, so I sent up the follow-up message, and I continued with the research on the follow-up. There is this so the course name that I proposed to them, and then he didn't respond it, so he just viewed it or no. And also after that, I created just a list for the list A and B. And after those, I continued the migration. So the migration from the other drive to the response learning drive. So
Okay.
that's what I did yesterday.
You have not finished
And
with the migration yet?
not yet.
Oh,
There are many folders and files, so it takes time.
okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. And this morning I was continuing on the automation. So I figured first I did with the automation of the configuration, and I had like an issue on the DNS report. And also I looked the files, so I opened the files in the server, the postfix domain.cf, and I thought I saw that my configurations were added to the existing configuration, like at the end of the lines. So I worked on the cleanup, and the cleanup works well.
Okay.
So this, and after that, I had an issue with the connection again. So I let Godric to use the server, and for the automation, I will, I will fix the record, and I think it will work.
Okay,
So
and
that
the backup, have you worked on the backup to copy of the existing file?
yeah, oh, I forgot to tell it. So I made a research on that also, and I started when Godric worked on the server. I started like writing the playbook for it to get this configurations, all of the configurations.
The configuration of the backup,
Yes,
and you have tested it, it is working?
not yet. I didn't finish it yet.
Okay. So you have the backup, you are creating your own setting up, and then you make the cleanup.
Yes,
The cleanup or the rollback. Because when you delete the content that you have put, you need to roll back those that you have backup, right?
yes, that's it.
Okay. So we have the backup, your setup, the cleanup, and the rollback.
Yes,
Okay.
yeah, that's it.
Um,
So that's
let me check something here. And what is your next step?
so my next step. So this my next step is to finish this rollback and to make the configuration work. Uh, and that's it. So this afternoon I will have the first session with the winter, and then I will work on it. I have a question. Uh,
Yes, yes.
it's about the migration. I need to finish it like this month, by the end of this month.
Yes, because I will not pay again for Google. Google, they have still made a lot of money, and I
Oh,
have worked hard about the RevOps and FinOps part. But if you don't finish at the end of this month, I think Google give us a grace period. They will not
okay.
they will not delete the data immediately. But you
Mhm.
can ask that to ChatGPT because at the end of this month, I will not pay them for that.
Okay.
So they will try to charge the card. I will remove that card. I already removed that card. I already delete that credit card.
Okay.
So Google will try to charge and they will charge nothing. And I think they can give us a grace period. The grace period is maybe 30 day or maybe I don't know 60 day. So you can ask to ChatGPT. But if you want to be safe and secure, you need to make the migration before the end of this month. But anyway, at the end of this month, Google will not delete all the file on directly. Google will send the reminder and then give the grace period. The grace period can be 45 days, something like that, or 30 days, something like that.
Okay. All
Okay.
right.
Can we finish at the end of this month, before the end of this month?
Yes, I think I can finish that. I
Okay.
just need.
If you finish before the end of this month, that is very good. If you can't, I think Google will give grace period. And I have, um, do you have any issue with your computer?
Are you talking about the time doctor?
Yes, yes.
Yes. I didn't. In my computers, like I had so many files and
Okay.
uh,
Because I'm talking
it,
about it was on Monday.
yeah,
Yeah, it seemed
and
like
it
it was
stopped,
4 hours, something like that.
and I didn't saw it until it was at like 5 p.m. or 4 p.m. I just realized that my time doctor didn't work.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, no.
Yeah.
And you are well. It seemed like your voice, you are tired, you are
Yeah.
sick. Are you well?
Yes, I am really tired. We had a big problem here, and uh, I wasn't really sleeping these last days.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. It will be okay.
And now it is okay.
Yes, so there was a fire, and the store of my mom was hit by a
Ah, there was
storm.
what?
Fire.
Fire
Yes,
on the house?
not on the house, on the store of my mom, the
Ah,
magazine.
sorry,
Yeah.
sorry, sorry, sorry. And she have take something from store or the fire have burned everything.
So we could take some things, but the stories burned.
The
We could take the things inside. Yes, but the
so
stories.
you have removed everything in the store, right?
Yes,
Okay, okay. The only thing that have been burned by fire is the store.
yes.
Okay, okay. Sorry, sorry. We are really
Sorry.
sorry.
Sorry, Karin.
Okay.
It's okay. Yes.
I
I
hope your
think.
mother will find another store.
Yeah, we hope so.
Okay, okay. Because I was understanding your voice, and your voice was like you are sick, or maybe you are too tired. Okay,
Yeah, I was. Yeah, a bit
okay,
tired.
okay, okay, okay. Okay. Anyway, you can walk slow, slow at your own pace. Don't be in hurry. Mm?
Okay, thank you.
Don't be in hurry. Take your time. Walk slow, slow at your own pace. And when you are tired, if you want to sleep, you can sleep. If you want to fresh mind, you can fresh mind.
All right,
Okay.
thank you.
We are really sorry about that. Okay. Do you have anything to share?
I think that's all for the mom.
Okay. And you, Godric, anything to share?
Even me, that's all for the moment. Just saying sorry to Karin. Uh,
Thank.
it shall be well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay. We
thank you.
expect that everything will be well for his mother and that his mother will find another store.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. You are welcome, Karen. Okay. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.
Thank you.
Uh,
Goodbye.
Goodbye.